Another useful measure word is 台. 台 second tone. 台 can be used for electrical appliances and machines. 一台洗衣机 a washing machine. 洗衣机 means washing machine. 洗 third tone. 一 first tone. 机 first tone. 一台洗衣机一台洗衣机一台洗衣机 Oh no, Jenny! Why did you pile up so many dirty clothes on the chair? 我觉得我需要一台洗衣机 I think I need a washing machine. 一台电脑 a computer. 电脑 means computer. 电 fourth tone. 脑 third tone. 一台电脑一台电脑一台电脑 Vivian, what do you want to give Grandpa for his birthday? 我想买一台电脑 I want to buy him a computer. 一台空调 an air conditioner. 空调 means air conditioner. 空 first tone. 调 second tone. 空调一台空调一台空调一台空调 Ellie, you look so tired. What's wrong? I'm burning up from this heat. 我需要一台空调 I need an air conditioner. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me how many Chinese songs you can sing. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。